Hi craft team! Welcome to our craft instructional video of the story where Daniel and friends refused to eat the king's food and only ate vegetables. Now to prepare this craft, make sure that you have the following materials inside your kits. First is our Japanese paper. So we're giving you these full sheets of Japanese paper, and then we're giving you green paper as well, double-sided tape, our favorite, a stapler, a cutter, and a pair of scissors. The cutter is optional. Now to prepare this craft, first let's take our big sheet of Japanese paper. So I'm gonna zoom this out and then let's fold it into 8. So they're gonna look like sheets of bond paper but a little smaller. So once you folded it into 8, start cutting along the folded edges to create sheets of Japanese paper. Next, grab 4 sheets of the ones that you just cut and then start folding this into a paper fan, or this is called the accordion fold. So grab your stapler because we're going to be using that later. So again, stack the 4 pieces of Japanese paper and then start to fold it as you would fold a paper fan. Then once you're done with that, it doesn't have to be exact or precise. Just staple the center of this paper fan. Next, take your pair of scissors and then just cut the ends of your paper fan to make the edges jagged. Each kid will receive 3 pieces of the paper fan. Now, let's grab our green paper and fold it into 4. So we are going to use 1/4 sheet of green paper per kit. So you can do this with the Japanese paper too. I used a cutter to just slide and cut because I find it easier if I use the blade instead of the scissors. Next, after you cut it into quarters or 1/4 sheets of paper, grab your double-sided tape and then place double-sided tape on the long edges of our paper. So it's here and here. Now our complete craft kit should contain that 1/4 sheet of paper with double-sided tape and then 3 pieces of our fans or the Japanese paper fans with a staple in the middle. Instructions for the kids now. How are they going to assemble this broccoli in the classroom? It's just easy. Now, first step is to take the paper fan and then just start to separate the sheets of paper on one half of the paper fan. So this is going to be the head of the broccoli, that bushy tree-like part of the broccoli. So we have 3 paper fans because if we just use one, it's not that bushy and it's not that cute. So make sure to carefully separate the sheets of Japanese paper, and you can also crumple it to make it more textured and voluminous. Now do it for the other 2 as well. Making sure that you don't rip any sheet or any part of the broccoli. Alright, now that we have our broccoli heads set up, let's all bunch them together and then let's grab our stapler again and just staple these 3 stalks or 3 heads together. Now it already looks like a broccoli, but to make it much prettier, let's put the stalk on the bottom. So we have here that 1/4 sheet of paper. Let's just remove the double-sided tape and then we can actually wrap it around that bottom part of our broccoli head to create the stalk. So it doesn't have to be clean or neat because we know that the broccoli stalk has texture and it's not really a straight cylinder. And there you go. This is our finished broccoli craft to remind us of the time when Daniel ate vegetables and not the king's food. Thanks for watching.